TuneCore for musicians, honest review. Watch before using. TuneCore is a distribution platform designed to help independent musicians get their music onto major streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon. It's ideal for artists who want full control over their music while earning 100% of their revenue. One of its standout features is that, unlike some competitors, TuneCore doesn't take a percentage of your earnings. Instead, you pay a flat fee for each release, $14.99 for a single and $29.99 for an album annually. This flat rate pricing works well for artists who expect to generate decent streaming numbers. However, it might not be the best option for those just starting out or with a smaller fan base, as the upfront cost may outweigh the potential earnings. TuneCore provides detailed sales reports and analytics, giving you insight into where your music is being streamed and purchased. They also offer services beyond distribution, like music publishing administration, which can help you collect royalties from other sources like YouTube and radio plays. Another helpful feature is TuneCore Social, an app that helps you manage your social media presence, which is essential for musicians today. TuneCore also handles pre-release strategies, allowing you to schedule releases and take advantage of pre-save links for Spotify, which can boost your streams on day one. That said, TuneCore isn't without its downsides. Their customer service has been criticized for being slow and not as responsive as you might expect, especially given the price point. Plus, if you don't renew your distribution annually, your music can be taken down, which isn't ideal if you want your tracks to be available indefinitely. There's also no direct marketing support from TuneCore, so if you're looking for promotional help, you'll need to handle that on your own or use a different service. In summary, TuneCore is a solid choice for independent musicians who are serious about distribution and keeping full revenue. But it may not be the best for those with limited budgets or those looking for more comprehensive support. Make sure it aligns with your goals before investing.